on the camera, and we'll try starting the bike and see where we go with this. Yeah, I forgot. I've got volume controls. If this is the way it's got to be, I could still turn the volume up. It's kind of a drag that I got to have a power for the mic and a battery pack for the mic. Kind of like dual battery scenario just to have a connection. I've been having hard starting problems, but that time it started okay. Alright, so I'm going to go down to the stop sign with the face shield up. It's all 25 miles an hour until I go out to Auburn Boulevard. So I think when I get on Auburn Boulevard, I'll go face shieldless, reach 40, and then pull the face shield down to see what happens. We should be rolling. I better make sure. I mean, that's what's all important here. Yeah, we're rolling. That's good. Okay, so here we go. .23 miles an hour. Face shield up. .20 miles an hour, 25 miles an hour, face shield up, 30 miles an hour, face shield up, 32. Okay, face shield down. Ladies and gentlemen, this is with the face shield down. We're approaching Auburn Boulevard at Twin Oaks, and we're going to turn right here. So once again, I'm going to raise the face shield. You know, I'm interested in the enclosure sound here too. Face shield up. .47 miles an hour. Face shield down. 47 miles an hour. 46, 45, 45.3 miles an hour. Slowing to 41, 37, 38. Okay, face shield down at 43.5. So yeah, you really wonder, you know, what it's going to take to get a decent thing going here. Kind of disappointed that the Optimus thing has its own battery, but you still got to have a battery pack. And of course, like I say, I could turn that way up. It's near halfway right now. I have the mini disc way up, and of course we're in mono. And here we are at Antelope, waiting to be able to turn right. And so of course, what I also wonder too is how does the sound of the bike sound now inside the helmet, essentially. Okay, we just reached 55 miles an hour. But now we're only going 37 behind a darn bus. A bus kind of thing. You're supposed to stop here. You're not supposed to just turn right. Stopping. Okay. So now we're going to go face shield up. And going past the Mariposa Market. And approaching a stop sign. And I'm gonna have to speed a little bit here. "40 miles an hour, face shield up." Never seen so many people walking their kids, walking their dogs. Looks like somebody's having a sewer pumped. What's up with that? Sacramento Sewer District. It's the sewer district. We are within the district. Jesus, that's the third OHV I've seen in just the last hour. It's like they're all on a holiday or something. Okay, back at the shop. Battery's low on the camera. Shut that off. Motorcycle still running. Machine still rolling. Shut that off.